You really want to know the gossip?
Fuck Sony TV.
They cut out a lot of the portion. But guys, you don't know like BTS stuff.
You have a bad sex life?
What? I think it's not a secret that we did used to thoda before Shark Tank.
So aim big for your own good, chase your dreams and never give up. Culture Circle, we in this.
So hi guys, we're back with In the Culture episode 2. We have a new host with us because you all apparently loved our previous host Sanjana too much. Would you like to introduce yourself?
Yeah, so I'm Arav Jain.
With having Arav in our team right now, that makes a whole lot of gens. How do you feel about that, Sanjana?
Yeah.
Like there are 3 gen people in front of you right now. I think that's too smart for you. I think that's too smart for you.
Yeah.
Because Sanjana didn't want to lose her job. At this moment, she just replied with a yeah.
No, basically अभी संजना के अंदर से आ रहा है कि ये पिटेंगे मुझसे.
But ठीक है guys.
मुझे
So
कोई controversial statements नहीं बनाने.
नहीं, not this time.
What?
Not this time.
what are we talking about today? What is up and in the culture?
In the culture, ठीक है. Abhi, you
Right.
guys were recently in
Hmm.
Shark Tank. So,
Okay.
Yeah.
So all anyone has been talking about the last 2 weeks has just been Shark Tank.
Yeah.
True.
So how
I
do you
don't think
guys-
so. I don't think it's doing that well this year though. Shark Tank.
Really?
Yeah, inside gossip, I'm telling you, dude. So it's apparently so they didn't air it on Sony TV this year. So the viewership went from 170 million to 30 million. Because it's like Sony Live and nobody has Sony Live because they don't have anything nice.
Yeah, for real. I just got Sony Live for your guys' episode.
I had so many friends calling me up कि we're getting Sony Live because of you. I was like, why are you being so fucking cheap? Go get a subscription. Then I got to know it's fucking 1600 for a year.
Sony Live, if you're watching, you are welcome. You are in business because of Culture Circle.
You went for your free ad, but you gave them a free ad.
We gave you a free ad.
We got you subscriptions because of us.
अब तो नहीं हो रहा है
है तो हो गए.
अब. तो let's start from the starting, ठीक है. Shark Tank कब सोचा था कि जाना है Shark
तो मैं और अक्षय 7th grade में मिले थे.
जैसे ही देवांश ने मुझे बोला हाय बोला शार्क टैंक जाएंगे.
अक्षय और मेरा एक्चुअली ये फन स्टोरी है. सो हाउ वी एक्चुअली मेट इज मेरा और इसका सरनेम सेम है तो एक कोई अवार्ड सेरेमनी में साथ में बिठा दिया था एंड ही इज लाइक ब्रो व्हाट्स योर नेम हम लाइक हम देवांश जैन कहता आई एम आल्सो जैन. वी आर एनीवे लाइक 0.2% ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन. इट्स ओके इफ वी रिकॉग्नाइज ईच अदर. इट्स अ डाइंग कम्युनिटी.
Who is a dying community? No, it's not.
It is.
Why? The way you are going to have 12 kids, how is that a dying community?
I'm trying to save Jainism here.
You're doing it for the culture.
I'm doing it for the culture.
Sachin, would you ever
I
have
was
12
gonna
kids
say
for
something very controversial.
What is the controversy?
After the last episode, Sanjana's not talking.
Say it, let's go.
No, this having many kids agenda is there in many religions.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, be scared.
Yeah.
Be very
no,
cautious.
I'm
No,
not
but
going
I mean,
there.
I see the point. You know why, like, that particular religion has grown so much, though. So it's working. Look at the numbers. I'm a numbers guy.
Basically, we were discussing Shark Tank, and suddenly we are on propaganda.
Andrew Tate
Only
turned...
time.
Andrew...
Oh wait, Andrew Tate? Are we going to talk about Andrew Tate?
Andrew Tate turned Muslim?
You don't... Do you know who's Andrew Tate, though?
Yeah, of course.
Who's Andrew Tate?
What does that mean? He's a person, he's a public person. What do you want me to say?
He's a person. He's a public person.
Andrew Tate turned Muslim, like, it's quite a while ago.
Yeah.
And
I think it's very interesting how much Devansh knows about Andrew Tate.
Why
That's
not?
very telling.
So it's a good thing.
What is the problem against Andrew Tate?
There's you guys have no problem with
No, I have massive issues with Andrew Tate, guys. For the record,
Okay.
I don't think he's a great he's a good person. I think he's great, frankly. No, he's the best marketing genius of all time. Is what Andrew
that's
Tate
just
is.
What
Yeah.
has he marketed?
Himself.
Himself?
You know about
And
him.
the course they sell, of course.
Oh, he sells a
You,
course.
yeah, you know about him. He was the most Googled
yeah.
man on the planet. So clearly, it's working. Whatever he's doing.
Exactly.
Just like the religion we talked about, that's also working.
Yeah, they're doing it well. If every year they double,
Yeah, I think proof is in the numbers always. We're like data guys. We're not making judgments or opinions.
just like how Culture Circle doubled every month.
Were those numbers real or did you guys just make stuff up?
No, the numbers are very
actually
real.
doubled.
No, the numbers are always real. So the delta is, for example, it's always plus minus 5%. Ki for example, ad spends are lower, revenues higher, plus minus 5% रहता है. But numbers are all real because we are vetted very, very strongly before Shark Tank.
Akshay, how was the Shark Tank experience?
Good, loved it. They called us like एक हफ्ते पहले हम हर रोज सुबह देवांश हर रोज सुबह वॉडका पी के जाता था शूट वूट करने यार एक्चुअली बहुत टायरिंग होता था यार 9 बजे they used to call us और तुम 9 PM तक रुके होते थे and used to go to fucking Film City.
Yeah, it's like 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. and it's the Film City is in Goregaon. So it's like an hour and a half out from the regular city. So it was just quite tiring and so they used to arrange these cabs. Okay, so every morning there used to be like a cab that's going to pick us up at 9 a.m. and there's going to be other pitchers also, like other Shark Tank pitchers that are happening with us and they're going to drop you off at 10:30. 9 a.m. they used to start calling the other pitchers at 9:30 every day. Akshay used to tell them, guys, Devansh is sick. We are so sorry. We're gonna come on our own. And they used to leave because the other pitchers were waiting. And we used to leave by like 12:01, reach there by 2:30. And when we were walking in, we could see literally everyone on set hated us. They were like,
Everyone hated
what
us.
are these guys? Who are these guys?
They thought we are getting special treatment.
No, they were like, why are they so careless and so
So
fuckless about the entire process?
rehearsal all the time or
Nahi, yaar, I'll tell you, our rehearsal was sorted, everything was sorted. You know what took us the most time? It was costumes actually. So we sent them like 5 outfits for approval over text. They approved all 5. We took those 5 outfits. They saw the outfits, they're like, no, not it. And they used to send us to some shady mall every day. And from the shady mall, we're video calling them from like Lifestyle, Zara, etc. And like, what should we buy? And they'd be like, okay, I have to check with my senior. And they'd never give us an answer. So our costumes were literally decided 2 hours before the actual shoot. And so if you've seen Akshay's jacket,
That I have hand painted. Me, Devansh and a friend on a video call.
1 hour before,
I could see that. It was.
you could see the imperfection.
Yes,
the
I could see. I
imperfection.
could tell it wasn't printed. I could see it was like hand.
Yeah, it was me, Devansh and a friend on video call helping us both to hand paint it. Imagine.
Yeah.
Why didn't you just print a logo and
Time
stick
there was
it?
no time.
See, 2 hours before the actual airing, they've approved the jacket.
वो हमें बहुत बेसिक हमें 8 बजे तक कोई रिप्लाई नहीं देते थे 9 बजे वो बोलते थे चलो तुम इस मॉल जाओ हम तुम्हें इंस्टेंटली बताएंगे 11 बजे तक they used to ghost us. This is the first time a chick has ever ghosted Devansh. First time. इसको तो गुस्सा है वो.
Yeah, my ego took a hit. I was humbled.
But why did they do this? मतलब ऐसा
No,
Why
yeah,
did they
honestly,
ghost it?
I think it was-
regulations नहीं costumes पे regulations
I think I was not her type, but
सब जो आते हैं ना उधर सब ब्लैक पहनना चाहते हैं और सब वाइट पहनना चाहते हैं.
or blue.
हाँ, everybody wants to wear these 3 colors and their guidelines are pretty straightforward. Listen, do something other than this.
So they were like, wear yellow, wear orange, wear green. I'm like,
The problem is nobody has those brand colors in today's
and
age.
our brand color was blue. So we're like, we can't be wearing yellow if our brand color is blue.
makes sense.
नहीं तो उन्होंने फिर हमारी ये हुडीज उन्होंने रिजेक्ट कर दी बिकॉज दीज आर रिफ्लेक्टिव अपेरेंटली सो ऑन कैमरा या
It also says fuck culture.
नहीं तो वी गॉट सेपरेट वंस
Yeah, you're missing the bigger issue, bro. I think she's right.
व्हिच रिप्लेसेस फक कल्चर टू कल्चर सर्कल हमने हटा दिया था यार फक कल्चर से नेशनल टीवी मम्मी देखती है यार मेरी फक सोनी
घर पे नहीं देखती वो. No, I like to think in the shower. I think lots of things in the shower. Just
यू लाइक टू थिंक इन द शावर
I love to think in the shower. You guys don't do it.
नो आई थिंक आई लाइक टू शावर इन द शावर आई डोंट लाइक
No,
टू
I'm not
थिंक
kidding.
what are you doing in the
All
shower
of my best feature ideas about Culture Circle come to me in the shower.
Ew! Wait, when you're texting the group at 9:30 a.m.
Bro, my hand is going on. I'm like, guys, we need this feature idea.
Oh God!
I used to do this, but then I stopped. I now listen to music.
Showering or thinking in the shower? What did you stop? अक्षय चुपचाप एक स्टेप दूर हो गया आरव से अभी.
आप सोचो बदबू कहाँ से आ रही है? No man, when you're showering, you have to shower. What is wrong with you?
But he's not saying he doesn't shower.
shower, but I-
No, I'm just saying you. Why are you thinking and texting the group, the team when you're showering?
Best
I think you have a bad
You
sex
get the
life.
best. No, you get the. Huh?
You have a bad sex life?
What? Where was that?
You have a bad sex life.
No, you have a bad sex life.
What? Because he
Why would you know?
shower?
Wait, Akshay, why would you know? You get the best ideas like while showering or honestly while taking a dump. That's when I get the best idea. Something leaves my body and a new idea enters my body. It's like
Be honest about this. Have you ever texted the team when you're taking the dump?
every day.
Gross, man.
So what?
Gross.
Devansh just texting while taking Arab is reading.
I think people are reading also while they're taking a dump. It's okay.
I think everyone's taking. ऐसे करते हैं 8 a.m. guys, dump time.
It should be a daily ritual.
Brain down.
Brain dump. Nice. Brain dump.
Actually, Sanjana and I were discussing about you. Okay, so she said कि you only wear two things. One, this I am hoodie. Second, the hoodie. So why? Why 10 lakh shoes?
Basic ass.
Yeah, basic ass.
Because he does not like to think too much about his wardrobe and it's easier in the office.
Correct.
But actual correct answer to go about is why he prefers to wear the IMA varsity jacket.
I'll tell you. No. I'll tell you on a more philosophical side. Right?
wait a second.
So it's because I like to wear things that are priceless. Like you can't put a price on a Culture Circle hoodie or a varsity jacket because you can't buy it. So that's why I love to
No.
wear stuff that's priceless.
Are you on Instagram? Are you on Instagram? How many followers do you have?
1,000.
I'll tell you. Wear a IMA varsity jacket, you'll have 8,000. Now you know.
wants to flaunt
Now you know why the varsity jacket comes in. I have seen it with my own eyes. This guy will say wear a varsity jacket, go out to let's say Boca and Donna. So everyone used to be very easily on him.
Yeah.
So that has been the approach where just
So you wear this varsity jacket
No.
because
No.
women.
No.
That's what he said.
Yeah.
That's what your friend just said.
But before 8 months ago.
It still happens. So the jacket works is all I'm saying. But so it's a good icebreaker, honestly. Like that's all it is.
There are these people on Instagram ना जिनकी height है 6'2", 6'3" होती है and उनके bio पे लिखा होता है 6'2". Devansh is like that. I am Ahmedabad. मैं ही हूँ.
वो मैं ही हूँ.
I am Ahmedabad.
So first 3 minutes of the pitch is purely prepped. तो हमारी जो pitch थी उन्होंने 80% सही थी, 20% मसाला they added, like जो मैंने बोला ना था कि अमेरिका वाली मासी से मंगवाना पड़ता है. फिर वो ऐसे कॉस्ट्यूम टीम होती है, डिज़ाइन टीम होती है. डिज़ाइन टीम इज़ तुम क्या डिस्प्ले करने वाले हो. फॉर अस इट वाज द ऐप फॉर एग्जांपल. एंड देन एक बिजनेस मॉक टीम होती है which just make sure they ask you random questions. They just make sure you don't fuck up on live TV. Because technically we are accustomed to speaking to investors, but on camera, a lot of the first time founders, they actually hesitate.
Yeah, it's actually a lot more difficult than it looks, guys. I'll give all the pitchers credit for this.
Yeah, you were sweating so much. Devansh.
It was for 3 hours and you have these massive ass lights on your face. Right now they started doing this on Shark Tank. They'll show the pitchers' fingers and वो ऐसे nervous हो रहे हैं pitchers अपने fingers से
It went viral for like, I think, Himanshu.
Because it's not about what questions they're asking. I'm pretty sure everyone knows that stuff about their business, honestly. But it's about when there's 20 cameras pointed at you, पीछे को crane वाला camera is constantly moving behind you, there's lights and then you have to speak.
But also the pressure that comes from sharks because
हाँ यार, आता है pressure.
आते हैं
It's very much of a pressurizing environment. But consider this one thing. We went in to get a deal for 240. We had to settle for 100. And that was purely pressure.
And you know how you can actually see the amount of pressure they put in? Just watch the episode and see Akshay's expressions.
and bro was beer biceps.
I had the best expression. I had the best expressions.
Watching the episode, I'm like, Akshay, तू ये कर रहा था साइड में खड़े होके? I saw that, like, क्या कर रहा था तू साइड में खड़े होके? Bro, मुझे ये सब क्या कर रहा था?
What when two friends are on a bike, ठीक है, आगे वाला लगा हुआ है, ये पीछे हुए, वो लड़के अच्छे हैं, वो नई शॉप, अक्षय, yeah.
सही तो थे, क्या प्रॉब्लम थी?
My answer also same, no different.
That happened. I actually zoned out for 15-20. I think it's not a secret that we used to थोड़ा before Shark Tank. And उस दिन I just realized my mom will be watching this. That is a problem. No.
This is worse.
Fine. We did have drinks. 1-2 each, I think, every day. Just to, help us throughout with this. And on the shoot day, because of the Shark Tank scene, we drank just because we were pressurized.
We pressurized each other to drink. We pressurized each other to. Now, if one of us is waking up and making a drink and the other one says no, you would get called all sorts of names that you'd only hear in boys' hostel.
Oh.
Every sort of name, and then the other one had to drink, or their masculinity was in question.
Hence my expression. Hence he was sweating.
It was actually a thing. So, I'm talking to, like, let's say 5 sharks. I'm looking at everyone. 4 sharks I'm talking to, of course, they're looking at me. I'm talking to Kunal, and I'm saying, Kunal is not looking at me, Kunal is looking at Akshay. I'm like, I looked at Akshay was looking at Kunal. I'm like, bro, what is happening?
As a story behind this is, I've actually met Kunal twice in our Delhi store. So the moment we walked in, Kunal realized कि वो अच्छा ये तो
So, wait, guys, wait. So, Sanjana Kunal Bahel is one of the sharks on Shark Tank this season. He's the founder of Snapdeal. Snapdeal is an e-commerce website, marketplace that was launched back in like 2012. E-commerce is when you sell goods and services online and deliver it online. Now continue.
Never mind.
Guys, 500k views.
This podcast, Sanjana decided just to, lay low. Last podcast.
No, I'm very invested. तो फिर क्या हुआ? You met him at the store?
हाँ, तो he had ordered something for
No, we designed a custom sneaker for his
nephew or niece.
Taylor Swift.
हाँ.
Taylor Swift sneaker.
Disgusting.
What's disgusting?
Not the child.
Oh,
Taylor
you're
Swift.
calling a small child disgusting?
No.
What's wrong, Sanjana?
Taylor Swift
So,
is
a small
disgusting.
Taylor Swift is not disgusting.
Being into Taylor Swift is disgusting.
No, being into Taylor Swift is not disgusting. What is wrong?
The
with
only
you?
thing I know about Taylor Swift is
She's
it's a
disgusting.
love story.
Yeah.
Maybe just
Reputation
say
era,
it.
lovers era,
Oh,
so many
yeah,
eras.
she's
Yeah,
a Swiftie.
yeah. My girlfriend is
So,
a Swiftie.
Sanjana,
Yeah.
do you remember how we were talking about bi-coded men last time? So we have one in the studio now.
I have a lot of knowledge about Taylor Swift because my girlfriend is a Swiftie. The other day I had to watch.
My girlfriend is a Taylor.
Oh, you don't diss in front of me about Taylor Swift. That's not happening.
Love Taylor.
So what I was saying about bi-coded men is I think they have a tendency to like Taylor Swift, right?
No.
Oh,
Yeah.
Ew.
ew.
What is you?
Disgusting.
Wait, you guys are not completely different things.
Taylor Swift is disgusting. Being into Taylor Swift is disgusting. Get a better personality. Get something better to do with your
Yeah, like the 1975.
You'll get so much hate because of this.
Yeah.
I think I will be hate commenting on this.
We should do a Swiftie tribute.
Change the host.
Yeah.
So editors after this just have Akshay's face in the frame and have Taylor Swift costumes.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Just Photoshop me as Taylor Swift.
कुणाल ने एक चीज बहुत अच्छी बोली कि लाइक यू डूइंग वेल बट मार्केट प्लेस में बहुत रिस्क होते हैं बट बड़े होके एंड मेड सेंस रितेश ऑल्सो रितेश तो यार तुम Q2 वो जब तुम वर्क करते हो ना
Ritesh Q2.
रितेश कीप स्माइलिंग लाइक दिस
I think the first time anyone has Ritesh Q2.
I was thinking Q2 as in quarter 2. मेरे को लगा
अरे
profits
सर
पता नहीं
Q2 ये देखो ये Q2
Q2.
रितेश when you walk in तो दिवांश ने भी बोला you're feeling pressurized there are a lot of cameras
Yeah.
just focus on Ritesh on the episodes Ritesh has just a smiling face
Do you have all the sharks on your phone now? Like, are you guys all besties?
No, not all of them.
Which ones?
So have you talked to them?
Kunal,
after
we
Shark Tank?
have Ritesh here, like the ones who invested in us. That's all, yeah.
So was the meeting like business meeting or just? chill?
हाँ, business plus catch up.
कि basically अब हो गया Shark Tank what are the next steps
क्या
क्या करना है
आप
कैसे नहीं करना?
deal लोगे या नहीं लोगे? That was the meeting.
Oh, so it's everything that airs is not actually 100% real.
I mean, you're not signing a contract right then and there, no? So of course.
Tell us
So I'll
some-
tell you. Okay. You really want to know the gossip? 70%. So like since season 1 Shark Tank here, 70% of deals they don't go through. The pitchers back out. Because once you're in Shark Tank, you're a brand, the marketing is there.
I think I would not say most. I would say half enough. A lot of the times, पता है, sharks also back out because pitchers can go and say fake numbers and wrong details.
हाँ, चलो, whatever.
But you said बहुत checking होती है.
होती है, but you can still fudge ना. जिसको fudge करना आता है, they can. For example, if you watch Shark Tank in the recent episodes, we're not going to say anything. We're not going to say who was right or who was wrong. But there have been instances where it was pointed out that you probably buffed your numbers.
The Sharks didn't believe the pitchers' numbers. Now we don't know what's the reality. Like
The
it could
same
be.
way they didn't believe your valuation.
No, they. I think they believed they misbelieved our valuation. I'll tell you why. They have edited out that part, but before Aman said 40, we had 3 offers, and they were going 80 CR, 90 CR, 120 CR with royalty, and then he said 40 CR. So we were also like quite confused that we are never going to take that offer, right? Like it was kind of weird. So Akshay, Sanjana is very interested in knowing something.
Why are you interested in knowing this?
अरे क्वेश्चन तो पूछने थे मेरे भाई.
मैं भी सोच रहा था बता.
Okay.
What about you? Kiss, marry, kill from our Shark Tank panel plus Piyush, Amit Jain and Ashneer also allowed.
Can we include like Saiba Bali?
No.
Can we?
Okay.
Okay.
Kiss Saiba Bali, marry Saiba Bali,
Kill.
whoever she's dating. Whoever she's dating.
Kill me. No.
This person is.
Saiba Bali, if you're watching this, Akshay is committed,
Yeah, I am.
but I'm not. Everyone tag Saiba Bali in the comments.
This one.
Shark.
She's a.
We're doing only
She's
the sharks.
she's an anchor.
She has Sharks panel.
Yeah, I know
Sharks
anything.
panel and
Anyone
anchor.
in Shark Tank. Yeah.
Yeah, anyone.
Saiba
She
Bali,
pitched
if you.
on Shark Tank.
No, she's the host for Shark Tank.
Oh.
You are so out of the loop. What are you doing here?
I didn't
Ashish
see
Salal-
her. I didn't see her in your
It's
episode.
Ashish Khan. She's not there in our episode. So it's
Yeah.
alternating.
Unfortunately, she wasn't there in our episode.
I swear.
Or she'd be in this podcast right now.
She's a sweetheart.
She's a sweetheart. You know, you met her.
No, but I've
No, but she looks like.
Our host was Ashish Solanki. And actually, I've been a fan since Comic Sun.
And I've been a fan of Saiba Bali since.
Name one movie.
The first time
Name
I
one
saw
movie.
her on television, which was Shark Tank. But kill Aman Gupta, marry Saiba Bali, kiss Saiba Bali.
She's not in
No,
the.
that was my
options.
answer.
Oh, kill Aman Gupta also.
Kill Aman Gupta is your thing for reasons I cannot disclose. Not even for sorry. I would kill, let's say, Vinita.
Vinita?
Yeah.
Bro, she's my senior from college.
Exactly my point.
Yeah.
Like she proclaimed.
No, but she had valid points. Unjustified points, but
Huh.
seemingly valid because she didn't know much about her
Right.
business.
No, massive respect for her.
Yeah.
I just feel when she was rejecting her offer, she just went on too long.
I really
But
love.
massive respect still.
Honestly,
regards.
guys, though, I'll tell you something I've never said before. I really loved how much Namita supported us. They cut out a lot of the portion. But guys, you don't know, like BTS stuff. You know, when that entire Aero Jayenge thing happened, everything. Namita was honestly such a sport and such a support both. Because she was just like, every brand is there for marketing, and that is the right reason.
She said na कि you are here for the right
Correct.
reasons. Yeah.
And I'll tell you, individually, each and every shark on multiple podcasts has gone and said this exact line. आपको fundraise नहीं भी करना, still come to Shark Tank
For marketing,
because
for
it's a great marketing platform. It makes your brand overnight. Every shark has said this. But
No, that
every
actually
shark has
happened.
said
You
this.
realize the moment we went viral on that Air Ho Jayenge thing,
Correct.
the next day, Aman's reel went viral with beer biceps,
And
where he said this
so-
exact thing.
So Akshay, you're welcome.
Why am I?
Air हो जाएंगे.